I'ma tell you this right now. If you woke up this morning, you winning. For real. Yeah. I got a big amount, I took a different route. I am the pick of the little. I was a juvie, it gave me community, I had to pick up some little. I want to ease it, please do not tease me. I want my Yeezy to journal. This is the season, I got the season. Don't make me sprinkle you. I got my reasons, you wanna please me. Send me the pictures. Middle of this week, the scene, and she tryna freak on the liquor. Yeah, I am a boss on these. Yeah, I post a boss on these. Yeah, I have no boss on these. Yeah, rocked up across on these. Yeah, ill at the party, y'all of the day. On some Prince, you know what they say. Me and my safe got a friendship. 10 on me, been weight, flip weight, getting paid, getting late. Made, took off 6 days, 6 tray, 6-4, bounce, bounce. Hood nigga. Favorite spot was the Waffle House. Patty melt with the hash brown. Trying to avoid all the pat downs, trying to avoid all the lame. Weirdos in the background, black out when I back out. Blow the horn for pedestrian, show the ride like an equestrian. I bought the dress that she in, red bottoms in his and hers. Got a rollie in his and hers, got a car in his and hers. Walking the zoo and say pick a fur. Last night was a blur to me. This morning I got 2 with me. I don't know what to do with me. Going ape like the zoo with me. Got a tool with the screws missing. 2 girls in the pool kissing. Everywhere I go to ride with me. Cutting acting too fishy.
Y'all niggas gone, man. Duffel bag forever. Just left V Live. Atlanta could never die long as Tit alive. Yeah. Look, I got a big amount. I think I'm the biggest out. Got hits and I ain't even put 'em